Oh, that's how it came on. No. I was hoping it'd come free, but it didn't want to. Alright, we're finally putting a fucking wheel on the 240. Probably the only aftermarket part it doesn't have. It's a fucking steering wheel on it. Put a shitty old Nardi on it.
Damn. I see.
Really don't know how this works. I don't even know if it's actually for a 240 or not, but it used to be on a 240. So at least it has to work as a 240 one. It's kind of ganges. Yeah, that's probably never coming off again. Oh well, I'll have to cut it off. Some eBay special. That's exactly what that piece of shit is. Oh, shitty old Nardi. At least it's still a Nardi.
Looks good. Look at that. What do I got?
Slight issue.
What?
I probably should have. Well, I guess I can readjust it once I get it on. Even got the eBay fucking hardware for the eBay fucking hub.
Sorry, guys.
You fucking up over there? Dude, these screws look so bad.
It's fucking up, man.
Cause I ain't got a horn button or nothing. This is probably the worst steering wheel
You got the
install
keys?
ever. They're in my car. My Daisy. This is like the Nardi that needs the whole center cap.